Hello friends, I Dr. NG Telkapallivar welcome you in my YouTube channel BSVS Educational Learning Center. Today we are going to discuss about the learning management system which is useful in teaching learning process. That platform is called as a Edmodo. Edmodo is nothing but the LMS system used in the online teaching in schools and colleges. Then this Edmodo is a educational technology company offering a communication, collaboration and coaching platform to schools and teacher during teaching learning process. The Edmodo network enables teacher to share content, distribute quizzes, assignments and manage communication with students, colleagues and parents. Edmodo is very teacher-centric in their design and philosophy. Student and parents can only join Edmodo if invited to do so by a teacher. So, this teacher can be invited through a email or by providing the code to the students or teachers or any parents so that they can be easily joined. Then teachers and students spend large amount of time on the platform, both in out of the classroom. Edmodo is free to use, but it also offers some premium services. So this Edmodo is like a Google Classroom type LMS system, very user friendly, and it is applicable to provide the various type of assignment, quizzes, etc. These are the some features of Edmodo platform. Create and manage student accounts. Create groups of and virtual classroom for the students. Create assignments, quizzes, and discussion boards. Teachers and students can create and participate in a polls and survey through Edmodo as well. So there is a one more option is available, that is the polling and survey through the Edmodo as well. Upload and share the file. So this option is also available in Edmodo. Gain access to Google Docs, OneDrive, and other apps for all content area. So these are the some features of this Edmodo platform. Now we are going to discuss about the uh, live demonstration on. Now just go in the Google platform to discuss about the Edmodo platform, how it works. So just open the Google search box and type the Edmodo. Then just search it. Now this platform is open, that is the web address www.edmodo.com. Just click here. This page home page is open. So there is a option, this is the Edmodo platform, learn better together. This is view toolkit, login and sign up. So you can sign up or login. Suppose I log in this system. Suppose I am directly login by using the Google account. You can log in through your Gmail account also. The Gmail account is I have using here to log in the system. Just go in the login system, add the email for sign up, add the password and go next. In this way you can log in the Edmodo platform. This type of platform is now open. So this is because I am already logged in before, that's why it shows Dr. NG Telkapallivar. So this is about the platform. It is a very user friendly platform. Now suppose you want to create, this is Edmodo is nothing but the LMS. You can provide the quizzes, assignments, then some PDF files, etc. So just go in this section. So there are different types, like this is the platform of Edmodo. There is a home button. Home button means this page is open. Then there is a classes, discover, library and messages. So messages is useful to send the messages to the student. Then this library means whatever you provided previously, any assignments or any question paper or question bank, it is available in library. And these are the classes you have to created during the session is shown here. So just I click here classes, so it shows the different type of classes. I previously created this one class BSc same one. So now I discuss the how to create the class and how to invite the student. So go in this option, that is create new class. You just click here. So this type of box is open, create a class. Just give the name of any class. Suppose I am writing here, suppose for example BSM 2. Suppose describe your class. So it is a political science paper 2 etc. So whatever you want to describe you can write here. Select grade to this class B is a higher educational class. Then select subject. To here there are various subject is given. So it is art, commerce, science, language, art, then English, all. You can change the color also and create. So in this way the class can be created. So just go in the plus button. Then here there is a option is obtained. Welcome to BSM2. What's next? Add student, explore class. So just click here, add student. Now once click on the add student, so there are different. This page is open. First name, last name, email. So you can type your name manually here, name and surname and email, and send to the student. Suppose I am writing here any name. Then in this way you can manually add the email also here. So this is the one way to add the student in the classroom. So add student, click here. In this way student can be invited. Once student has been invited to class, the student can receive the mail and he join the class, that particular class. So this is the one way. Then there is another way to add the class. Here just go in other ways to add, just click here. So this box is open, so you can share this code also. So share class code to the student through a WhatsApp or Telegram channel or through email, or you can share the PDF of view PDF instruction here. So you just click here. So you can find the this is the class of name of teacher is given, your code and student instruction is given. So you can share this on WhatsApp group or to the student, so that student can join the classroom. So this is the uh, class code. So this is the one way to share the classroom, and another is the invited by mail. So you just type the email of the student and invite them. This is the very easy, just copy it and done it and share to the student. So this is the way, that is the other way to add the classroom. Share link with the student. So suppose you click here, link, copy to clipboard, and just go in the email box or any folder. You can save this folder also. Just paste. So this is the link. You can directly send this link to the student, so that student click here and join the class. So these are the different ways to join the classes. Now let's go in the, once the student is joined in the class, then just go in the class section or here. So if there are this is the two classes now generated here. If you want to generate more classes like same 3 4 5 6, suppose you want student want to join, then student click here, join class, enter the code, and student can easily join from student platform. Suppose he downloaded the Edmedo app, because this platform is available in both version. Web version is also available, which is easy, and mobile app version is also available. That is very useful for the student to conduct the various type of assignment and to submit the assignments or quizzes through a mobile app also. So student just download the app and click on the join class and enter that code which we have provided, and student can join the class. So this is another way. So here you can create the different types of classes. You can join the classes and view archive classes. So these are the different way by clicking here my classes. Then another is just go in the classes. So these are the classes. Suppose I click here, then there is a option is here, there is a plus button. So just click on the plus button to create the account, create class, join class. So this is the another way to go in the class. Then when you click on here, again there is option plus. Now here in this plus button, when you click on the this same one, I just repeating here, just go in the classroom. These are the your different classes created. Just click here, this home page is open. Here there is a post, folder, members and small group. You can post any message to the student. Suppose you want to write Please join the tomorrow's class. Join today's class at 12:30. So you can send message through this LMS platform. So you can post here. Just click here. The message here posted. Please join. Sorry, it is join, not join. Please join the today's class at 12:30. So in this way, you can go through the message box also, and you can post the different messages here. Then there is another way. Here, the create assignment, load existing assignment, create quiz, and load existing quiz. So this when you go in the classroom, particular classroom which is already created, just click on that symbol, and there are four different options is obtained. One is the create assignment, another is the load existing assignment, create quiz, and load existing quiz. Now what is the meaning of this load creating existing assignment? Suppose you have already submitted or provided the any assignment previous session, and this is available in the library, so you can resend it to the student. A similar way you can send the existing quizzes. So we now discuss today this create assignment and create quiz. Just click on the create assignment. Just give the title of assignment. Suppose I am giving here assignment 1. Then write down the assignment and instruction. Submit the assignment. Write down your topic, name of unit, etc. Whatever you want to describe instruction, you just write it. And after that, there are three different options here. Just attach file, add link, and add from library. Suppose the material is already available in the library of this Edmodo system, then you can upload from library. Just clicking here. So this is the library version. Now there is no yes, there is a one assignment here. So you just go here, click on assignment 1 and attach it. So this is the one way. Then another is just go here in folder section, attach file, and just attach any type of folder also. Suppose I am just attaching I am attaching here image. So this image is attached here. And there another way, you can just go in the Google Drive, then generate the link and attach here. So this is the third way. So in this way, like we done in the Google Classroom, similar type we can give the attachment in the form of PDF or Word file, or provide the link through the Google Drive or from the library. So in this way you can assign the assignment. So BSc SEM1, select the due date. Suppose 6th of June. Suppose you want to lock the exam after due date, so the student cannot submit after this due date. Then add to grade book progress. You can assign immediately, and suppose you want to schedule for later, so you can also schedule for later and just give the it is scheduling. Then here schedule date, you can select any next day, and in this way you can schedule it. So this is the way you can schedule your assignment to the next day. So I am just assigning here now itself. So there are two options. So the item has been sent. So in this way you can find out the here the assignment is given, it is submitted. This is the assignment which is shown here, and student can view, click, and solve the assignment and resubmit in from the Edmodo platform. So this is the one way. Then there is another way. Just create the quiz. So this is very useful tool, like other platform. In Google Classroom you have to go through the Google form to create the quizzes, but here directly the quiz platform is available. So just click on the, again I am repeating, just click on this plus symbol, then go in the create quiz and create the new quiz. Suppose here there are two different types, quiz detail and quiz question. So just give the quiz title here. Suppose I am giving name demo sample quiz, sample quiz. Just give the description whatever you want, MCQ type. questions. Then after that, this is the title and instruction, then go in the quiz section. So there are now in this platform there are different types of questions available. Oh, like true false, then multiple choice, short answer, fill in the blanks, matching, and multiple answer. So this six type of different platform is available for the creation of the quizzes. So first we select the true and false. So I'm just writing some simple questions here. Then Narendra Modi is the present Prime Minister of India. India. So just click here true false. So it is a true. Suppose it is false, then click here. So there is a already there is a option. So this is the correct answer, true. Then you can create the attach the file also. Suppose you want to attach the image of Narendra Modi, just go in the image folder and attach the image of the Narendra Modi, means you can attach the file, you can add the link or you can add the library. So this version is also available. Suppose you want to provide the question like identify the given animal, following animal, and attach the file. Student can see this file and attach the he gives the answer here, whatever answer he want to he can give you. So in this way, this is the true false type of question. This is correct. Grading point, whatever you points, give 2 or 1, you can give here. Suppose I am giving 1 point. So in this way the first question is generated. Then there is a just scroll down, there is a add new action, add from question bank. So we are not any created previously quizzes, and that's why there is no previous question available. So just click on the add new question, or you can just click here and add duplicate question also. Now this is the second question. Suppose you click here, this is the multiple choice after question. Then in multiple choice you just write down who is the president of United States of America. Just sample question. Then here again attach file, add link, etc. So just give the answer, George Bush. Then second, H. Clinton, Bill Clinton. And if you want to another option, just click on add response and suppose Donald Trump. Now Donald Trump is the correct answer, just give here, or there is another version, add image to your answer. Suppose you want to images of George Bush, you can add here, just click here and upload the image from library. Previously saved images can be attached here. So you can add the all the 4 images of these 4 different persons. So George Bush, then Henry Clinton, Bill Clinton, Donald Trump, etc. So this is the image edition is also available, and it is also available in the question also. So this is the another facility which is available directly attachment of the images. So again, if the answer is correct, then 1 point. Then go in the next question, add question. So first we are discuss the true false, then multiple choice, and third question now. Just click in the fill in the blanks. Suppose fill in the blanks, here use underscore to specify where you would like to blank to appear in the text box. Suppose I am writing any number 2, then 4, then 6, then just down underscore, then 8, and I am writing 10. So this is the fill in the blank type of question. You just enter the correct answer, 2, 4, 6. Sorry, I am writing here 10, and this is supposed 12. So in the multiplication of the 2, so this is the correct answer is 8. So I am attached field here in responses 1 mark. So in this way This is the third question. Then go in the add question. This is the fill in the blank type of question. Then matching. It is very important. This is the new type of creation of the quiz in this Edmodo platform. This is not available in uh, Google form also. You just give the responses matching. Suppose match the capitals of states of India. Match the capitals of state of Maharashtra in India. Suppose I am writing here Maharashtra, then Telangana, then Orissa, then add another response. Suppose Orissa, then Bihar, etc. Maharashtra, capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Telangana, Hyderabad, and next is Orissa, Bhubaneswar. Then next is Patna. And to confuse, just give the additional answer. Nagpur, Chandigarh. So in this way you can create the different types of encoding. Suppose you want to give the full answer. So this is the saving all changes. So this is the match the pair. Then we discuss the next question. Just add new question. There is another option is available here. Multiple type of answer. Just I'm repeating the same question. Which of the following are states of India? Which of the following are states of India? And just go here. Suppose I am writing here Maharashtra, Telangana, then Chandigarh. Add response another. Suppose I am writing here California. Now these are the correct answer three. Just click here and if student gives the answer all three to duplicate in this way. This is the different multiple answers. Then next question. Just click here. Now there is a one remain is the short answer type. So just give the question, but you need to solve it manually. Grade it manually. Give the name of President of India, present President of India. So this is the one line. So in this way, you can create the question. We have discussed all four different types of questions, and then just preview it. You can by clicking here, you can see the preview. It is in progress. Resume quiz. So this is the preview. Then next, Donald Trump is 8. So this is the preview question. Then here Maharashtra. This is the Mumbai, Telangana. It's, so in this way you can show the fish. Then next is the exist preview. and you can now assign this first quiz. So this is the quiz detail and this is the quiz. You just assign it. Now in assignment, you can assign the different classes also, BSc same one, or you want to give the other classes like BSc same 2, same 4. If it is intercollegiate, you can give the different class, intra collegiate, then you can give the different classes. Then there are different student is available, then select the due date, whatever you want to, then log after due date. If you want to log the exam, just give the time limit here. Suppose you want to give the 10 or 30 minutes or 60 minutes, whatever. Then randomize question during the solving. Each student get the different type of question numbers for the particular question. Then add to grade book, that is the progress can be shown, and show result to the student upon completion, and just assign it. Suppose you want to assign immediately, or suppose you want to assign schedule letter, then just click on the schedule letter and give the date, and just schedule it at particular time, means in that particular time the quiz is started. So I'm just assigning immediately, so it is going to assign now. So it is assigned, so it is got it. So in this way this quiz is now assigned. So this is the demo sample quiz. This is the teacher of BSc same to same one. It is posted demo sample quiz. This is the quiz, demo sample quiz, which is assigned to the student. Student login in the particular class, and it is going to start the quiz. So this, in this way you can assign the progress of the quizzes to the student. Now after submission of the quizzes, suppose student submitted the quizzes or assignment, then go in the particular section, that is classes. This is the class management. Then there is a what's due, so it can be shown the whatever the due is there. You can see here ready to grade, viewed, how many students viewed. Then there is a reviewed option, then schedule option. Suppose there is any quizzes or assignment schedule, you can find out here. Then progress. Now once student submitted the assignment, you can show the grade can be shown here for particular assignment. So plus create new grading system, etc. So this is shown here. So this is the assignment. This is 3, 10, etc. The suppose there are 100 student here, so you can find out the student 1, student 3, their name, their passing rate, etc., and the assignment number 1, 2, etc. is shown here. So this is the progress bar. So this way you can find out the progress of the student. Then suppose you want to export the sheet, you can just click here and export the in Excel file in CSV form. You can generate the quiz also. Their student name, demo, quiz name, assignment, quiz one, how many marks is obtained. So in this way, the 100 students suppose solve the quiz and submitted, then they can be easily taken and assigned. The feedback can be easily find out in the this Excel sheet. So then suppose you want to manually add the grade, just enter the grade name and cancel it. So this is the way in which you can take the feedback. Then there is another option, that is profile setting, etc. This is the profile option. So you can add the profile image, about, post, add biodata, then add school, add interest, add experience. This is the your social links of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Scheduling program, your education links. This is in this way you can generate your profile. Then there is another option, go in the setting. Here this is the phone number and this is your URL. So you can share this URL to the students or anyone, so that as a it is like a Facebook page or Instagram page. The it is your profile. Just save URL, or from here you can copy it. Just copy it and paste here and enter it. So this is open in a as a URL form. So this is the home page. It is a one type of Facebook page. It is open here. So this is the page. You can also manage the Facebook page also. Then there are various resources, then quizzes. It is shown in here, your connections, community, and the progress bar, because there is no such progress is here because we are just practicing as a demo version. So this is the library section. You can also choose anything. So in this way, so this is the one of the useful platform for LMS, that is the management of the class. You can provide the any material in the image form, any PDF file also. You can create the quiz and assign to the students. The grading system is automatic and manual. The student can view the answers. Also there is a other platform is available in the form of the mobile app, so it is easy to join the this Edmodo platform to the student also. The feedback also can be generated and in the form of Excel sheet, and you can manage the all the feedback data for documentation purpose also. So it is a very useful user friendly LMS system, like Google Classroom. Thank you very much. We will see the next topic in the coming incoming videos. Thank you very much.